Students, just we have celebrated the Earth's Day. You know, Earth is our prime source of life. Try to keep it alive or otherwise we will die. So, take care of trees, they will take care of you. Save the world, save yourself. Students, I have finished the chapter Plant. Now, I think all of you have understood it. Now the concept is clear. Once again, I am giving you one more video regarding this. Now you enjoy the plant kingdom.
Hi kids! Today we will learn more on plants and its different parts. So let's start. Plants are one of the most important things on the planet Earth. Without plants, there would be no food to eat and no oxygen for animals to breathe. Plants have different parts where each part has different roles to play. All plants have two main basic parts. That is, the root and the shoot. The part of the plant that remains under the ground is known as the root. The part of the plant that remains above the ground is known as the shoot. The main function of shoot is to produce food for the plant by process of photosynthesis, and it carries out the process of reproduction too. The main functions of root are to anchor the plant in the soil and to absorb water and minerals from the soil, and also stores food in some plants. Tootway has thousands of animated videos on math, English, and science to clear the core basics of these subjects. Now let's learn the function of roots in detail. Roots absorb water from the soil, which in turn provides the plants with nutrients and minerals. As we need food and water to live, same way, plants need these minerals and nutrients to grow strong and healthy. Minerals and nutrients travel up the roots to the stem and different parts of plants to provide nutrition to all parts of the plant. Roots anchor the plant. That is, root fix the plants into the soil. Roots also hold soil particles together that prevents the soil from being washed away with rain or storm. So roots are the support system of the plant. Some roots also store food in them, like carrots, radish, and turnips, are tap roots that we eat. Now let's see different types of roots. There are mainly two kinds of roots, tap roots and fibrous roots. When a single thick main root grows below the stem, it is called taproot. Many thin roots, which are unequal in size, grow from this main root. Beans, carrots, mango, radish, rose, hibiscus, and turnips are the plants that have taproots. Taproots store food in them, and we eat these roots. When a bunch of many thin and bushy roots grow below the stem, it is called fibrous root system. These thin and bushy roots are nearly equal in size. Grasses, maize, bamboo, coconut tree, onion, rice, and wheat are the plants that have fibrous roots. Now let's learn about the shoot of the plant. Part of the plant that grows above the ground is called shoot. Now let's see different parts of the shoot. Leaves, petioles, nodes, buds, flowers, fruits, and branches are all different parts of shoot, and each part plays a different role. Stem is the central main part of the plant. It holds the plant upright. Leaves prepare food for the plant with the process of photosynthesis, and leaves are also called the food factory of plants. Flowers, they are the most beautiful part of the whole plant and are the reproductive part of the plant too. And we will learn more about flowers, its structure, and different parts in our next assignment. Fruits. Fruits store the food prepared by the plants and also enclose seeds within them. Different types of plants have different types of stems. Big trees have strong, very hard, and woody stem, which is called a trunk. Shrubs. Shrubs have brown and thick stems, but not as thick as trees. Herbs have green and soft stems. Climber and creepers have very soft and green stems that can't keep the plant upright. Creepers and climbers need some support of an outside object to climb up or crawl along. Some stems are thick and juicy. For example, sugarcane. Sugarcane is a thick and juicy stem that people eat. Some stems remain underground and store food like ginger, potato, and onion. These are actually stems that we eat. So kids, today we learned different parts of plants and their functions. Now go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye.
Already I have given you assignments. Now the answers of assignment I am sending you. Please check it and send it to me. Already tick mark is given and I think all of you can do yourself. Now to question D is answer the following questions in brief. Here you have to write the name of two different types of roots, as we know, tap roots and fibrous roots. Next, give two examples of plants having fibrous roots. Answer is grasses and banana. Next one, why do aerial roots need to come out of the soil? Yes, aerial roots come out of the soil to get fresh air from the atmosphere. As we know, all is well that ends well. Now it's the time of homework. I am sending you homework. All of you will do it properly. Your first question is draw the shape of the taproot and the fibrous root. You will draw your diagram very neatly. Neatness is first, you keep it in your mind. Your next question is, in what way is the taproot different from the fibrous roots? Now here I have given the differences in column wise. Same way you will make the column and you will write the answer, and in the last you will draw a diagram also. Question 3 is the state the two main functions of root. As we discussed earlier, absorption and fixation are the two main functions of the root. And what is absorption and fixation? Here I have also described. Last question is, in what way are the roots of banyan tree and maize special? Yeah, special roots each find out in the banyan tree and maize, and the function is given here. Here one thing I am going to discuss you, writing is not sufficient. You will write the question answers properly and learn it, and then send me the homework at my WhatsApp number.